In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new template and page in Shopify. We'll start inside your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This will open a section where you can see your current theme at the top. On the right side of your theme, you'll see an option to edit it. Click on Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, you'll notice a page selector at the very top of the screen. This dropdown lets you choose which type of page you want to work on. Since we're creating a new template for a page, open the dropdown and select Pages. You'll then see a list of all the page templates that already exist in your theme. Scroll to the bottom of that list and click the Create Template button. A pop-up window will appear asking for some details. First, give your new template a clear name. For example, FAQ if you're creating a frequently asked questions page. Under the Based On option, choose Default Page, so you're starting from the standard page layout. When you're ready, click Create Template at the bottom right. The theme editor will reload and automatically open your brand new template. Now you can start customizing this template. On the left panel, you'll see sections that make up the page. To add a section, click Add Section and choose from the available options. The sections you see can vary depending on whether you're adding them under the header, the main template area, or the footer. To rearrange a section or block, hover over it, then drag it up or down and release it where you want it. To remove a section or block, hover over it and click the trash icon that appears on the right. Some sections contain smaller elements called blocks. To reveal them, click the small arrow beside the section name. You'll then see an Add Block button. Click that to choose from the blocks available for that specific section. To edit the settings or styling for any section or block, simply click on it and explore the options on the right side of the editor. When you're happy with your changes, click Save at the top right. Next, let's create a new page that will use this template. At the top left of the theme editor, click the back arrow to exit. You'll return to the main admin area. Again, under Online Store in the left panel, click on Pages. On the top right of the Pages screen, click Add Page and wait for the page editor to load. Inside the page editor, start by adding a clear title for your new page. Then, in the content area, add your text, images, or other rich content as needed. On the right-hand side, you'll see visibility options. Choose whether the page should be visible or hidden, depending on whether you're ready for customers to see it. Just below that, find the template section. Open the drop-down and select the new template you created earlier. Once everything looks good, click Save. You've now created a custom template and applied it to a new page in Shopify, giving you much more control over how that page looks and behaves.